Welcome back. Today we'll learn about the structures in the C program. The structure in C is a user-defined data type that is used to group items of different data type into a single type. And these items are called as members. The structures is the keyword which is used to declare a structure. So no memory is allocated to structure during the declaration. And before using a structure in a program, we need to declare it. And here we specify the variables with their data type. And at this point of time, no memory is allocated to the structure. For example, we declare a structure named student. We are grouping together three data types here. One for the roll number, which is the integer data type. Name takes the char data type, string data type. Okay. So marks is the float data type. And stu1 and stu2 are the structure variables. And now at this point of time, the memory is allocated. So there are two different ways to declare a structure variable. One, during the declaration of the structure itself, we can declare the variables. The other one is done inside the main function. So how will you access a struct variable? This is done using a dot operator. And for example, the roll number for the first student becomes stu1 dot roll number, and the second student's roll number is accessed using stu2 dot roll number. We'll see an example for structures. Now we'll learn a simple example about these structures. Hash include stdio.h. Here I am declaring a structure named car, inside which I'm grouping two data types, char, the brand name for the car, and manufacturing year as year. This is the integer. Okay. Now we'll move into the main function. Now here we are going to declare a variable for the structure car. What I'm going to do is obtain the user input for brand and year from the user, and then I'm just going to print the values. So in order to access or use the variables, we are going to use the dot operator, c1 dot brand or c1 dot year. Okay. Percentage, yes. c1 dot scanf percentage b and c1 dot year. Okay. Now I'm just going to print the values obtained from the user. c1 dot printf r1 year. Yes. Percentage d c1 dot year. Okay. Now let me see. struct dot C. Okay. Now let me execute the code. GCC struct dot C struct. Yes. Struct. So it is asking me to enter the values for the brand name. Okay, I'm giving it as Maruti and year of manufacturer 2010. See, it has got printed the value for the first entry car one as Maruti and 2010. So hope you're all clear with the concepts of structures, and we'll meet you all in the next video. Thank you.